Hey friends, who's hungry? Today we're making a classic Southern Coca Cola cake. It's rich, fudgy, and topped with a chocolate icing that melts right into every bite. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a medium saucepan, melt 1 cup of unsalted butter with 1 cup of Coca-Cola and 3 tablespoons of baking cocoa. Bring it just to a boil, then remove it from the heat and let it cool slightly. In a large mixing bowl, combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour with 2 cups of granulated sugar. Pour the warm chocolate Coca-Cola mixture into the flour mixture. Next, add half a cup of buttermilk, 2 large eggs that have been lightly beaten, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix everything together until smooth and fully combined. Pour the batter into a greased 9 by 13 inch baking dish and bake at 350 degrees for about 45 to 50 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted near the center comes out clean. Let the cake cool completely before icing. Speaking of icing, let's make some. In a large mixing bowl, cream half a cup of softened butter until light and fluffy. Add 6 tablespoons of Coca-Cola, 1 16-ounce box of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Mix on low until the ingredients are moistened. Then increase the speed to medium speed and beat until smooth and fully combined. Pour the icing over the cooled cake and spread evenly over the top of the cake to the edges. Cover with plastic wrap or a lid. Let it set up in the refrigerator for about 2 hours and then slice into that rich chocolatey perfection. Looking for more recipes? Watch my next video and be sure to subscribe to my channel.